I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make churros at home, an easy dessert recipe. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Also, have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 large egg ready. For frying, about 4 cups of vegetable oil will be needed, and for the delicious coating, 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now let's make the dough. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium heat. Once boiling, remove the pan from the heat and quickly stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour until a smooth ball of dough forms. Let the dough cool for about 5 minutes before incorporating 1 large egg. Next, it's time to fry these delicious treats. Heat about 4 cups of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully transfer your prepared dough into a piping bag fitted with a large star tip. Gently pipe 3 to 4-inch strips of dough directly into the hot oil. Fry them for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Finally, let's get them ready to eat. While your churros are still warm, quickly prepare the cinnamon sugar coating. In a shallow dish, combine 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Roll each freshly fried churro in this delightful mixture until it is completely coated. Serve your warm, crispy, and sweet homemade churros immediately, perhaps with a rich chocolate dipping sauce. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.